Hi everyone, I'm Soumya Lalita and this is my capstone web application project titled EcoCart. And this is a full stack project built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Firebase, node.js, and express.js. And coming to the video, first I will explain about how to set up Firebase, and you have to click the link, and that's console.firebase in Google, and you can open it. And after opening it, you have to create in go to console. You can click create project. You can see the tag, and then you have to name it like I have named it as like a eco card, and then you have to continue. And after that, after project has created, you have to go to the web app icon, and you have to register the app there. And if you register, you can get the configuration snippet, and you have to copy that. And there will be a api and id project, and everything will be there. And you have to copy the code itself there, and you have to store it in a firebase config.js file in your vs code. And later on in the same firebase, you have to go to authentication. Like in build section, you can see that authentication, and you have to enable when you click on authentication, you can see the sign in methods, and in that you have to enable email or password. And then go to firestore database and create database. And if you are coming to that, after creating firebase, you have to create a folder for the project, and that's I created it as a eco cart folder. And in that I in subfolder I did a public. In that I have stored index.html, sign.html, dashboard, and style.css, everything. And also server.js, it works as a backend, and firebase config.js where all the keys are stored, and everything was involved in that code itself. Okay, if you are coming to the firebase configuration, here it's how the config keys are like the constant firebase configuration api key and auth domain and project id is it's very helpful for the people who are logging to the pages with the email. It will be directly given you the users, right? And then and imported it in login and sign up pages using script type module. We are using that. And if you come to the features like login and sign up, uh, you can see it will shows how users can register firebase auth works, and validation and error handling. And after login, if you are the first time user, you can directly sign up, and then you can log in afterwards. If you are already used that, you can directly log in, and it will redirect it to the dashboard. Okay. And the dashboard shows you the simple and welcome navigations pages. It also has a different types of page like tips regarding eco card. We have set up like that. And firebase filters show how user data is saved after sign up. And backend with node plus express is a server.js using express.static public. We are using that in our code. And running server with node server.js. If you open the terminal, and you can type node space server.js, then you can be getting a server running, and you will get the link. You can open the site with that link. And this is how you can see all the login page and your login, and you can see the dashboard, and everything was set up. And the final will be if you want to store your code everything into github, you have to create a new repository in your account, and you can store them. And it will be very helpful for you to show them to your fellow people who requires that. And the output demo is like a sign up dashboard and browse products, add to cart and checkout, show how design looks visually responsiveness.